Coffee time! Cheers! Ako coffee, si Gab-Gab is milk. Fresh milk. Cheers! Yeah! Uy, sobrahan! Buang mahulog gali na. Pasok kita karon. Super hot dito sa amin, pero okay lang. Nagkakape pa rin. That's life in the Philippines. Even though summer, 41 degrees Celsius in our area, we don't care. We drink coffee at the afternoon.
Tada!
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sakito, uy. Malo man. What is that?
That's just cold milk.
A cold milk. A fresh cold milk. Hey. What can you say?
That's cold milk.
Can I drink? Can I drink your milk?
No, that's too big.
Okay, thanks for watching.